Welcome, students. It is my pleasure to welcome you to Bon Secours Memorial College of Nursing. We are delighted that you are here. Hello, I'm Dr. Christina Perkins, and I serve as the Dean of Academic Affairs. I have served here at the college for nearly 20 years, and my background in nursing is in cardiology as a nurse practitioner. My love is nursing education, and at the center of our college are our students. I have two very favorite times of the year: the day I get to welcome you here today, and the day that we celebrate your graduation with the pinning ceremony at the completion of the program. As you know, the practice of nursing is rewarding, but it is challenging. The journey of returning to nursing school is also a challenge. Our curriculum is built upon national standards and best practices, as well as the Catholic social teaching and values. The faculty continually review and revise the curriculum to remain current. Our program is world-class, and it will prepare you to provide the best care for our patients. I want you to know you are important to me. Your success is our priority. We at the college are here to walk beside you in your nursing education journey. This journey will be a challenge. I encourage you to embrace the highs and lows of this journey. Give yourself grace to make mistakes, to learn, and to grow. Have the courage to show up and let yourself be seen. Have the courage to love yourself during the process. Give yourself and your peers grace to be less than perfect. And celebrate with one another and support each other. And always remember, life is not what happens to you. It's how you react to life. Again, we are so glad that you're here with us, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Bon Secours Memorial College of Nursing. I wish you the best in our program, and please let us know if there's anything we can do to help you.